changes coming to our snowpack. We've talked a lot about how, whether it's snowmobiling or skiing or snowshoeing, depending on what you're into, you're going to start to feel this.
Right. Yeah, and it's interesting because we built it fairly undramatically, right?
Yes.
Like we didn't have
big storms.
So we still have more winter, but like we didn't have too many big storms, but we didn't have much warm weather either. So we just kind of kept.
Yeah.
But then I think we're gonna erode it faster than we built it. That's for sure. Here's a look at the radar right now, which is actually adding a little snowpack. Now I was looking at different cameras to see what the actual amount of precipitation that was hitting the ground was here, and it looks like it was coming down pretty good in Berlin, New Hampshire. It was snowing in Carrabassett Valley into Rangeley as well, but it didn't look as heavy, at least when I looked about 15 minutes ago or so, and then really, really light into the Bangor and Bar Harbor area. Now as these move downhill, it's too warm, so we'll see rain showers. It's all part of a warm front that stretches back here and then all the way down south, and so this is the next day and a half or so of our weather. Warm front coming through, cold front coming through, and then cooler air behind it, but will be mild most of the next 36 hours or so. But initially, tonight, warm front's still south of us, right? So that means that most of us are cold enough for periods of light snow off and on through the first half of this evening. Rain showers possible over southern and kind of central Maine into the mid-coast. That front is just about near Bangor by tomorrow morning. And so north of Bangor, there'll be a chance for a little bit of light snow and even some freezing drizzle. South of there, we're likely just kind of dreary and cloudy through the first few hours of tomorrow morning. Temperatures hovering around or a little bit above freezing. And then rain moves in from the west, and it's a cold rain initially, and then eventually we're into the 40s by tomorrow afternoon. Notice that rain-snow line just hanging on over Aroostook County tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow night, that rain-snow line is into Canada. So everybody's into the rain tomorrow afternoon into the evening with the cold front coming through, and this will be our heaviest patch of rain, and the wind as well will be quite strong at this point. This is tomorrow night, midnight. So heavy rain, some gusts coming in out of the south. Not enough to cause damage, I don't think, but you'll notice them. And that will continue into Thursday morning. And then Thursday is a largely cloudy, mild day with some scattered showers around. That day, Thursday, will feel every bit like April 15th, like that kind of vibe where it's a little bit warmer, but it's not a lot of sunshine around, a couple showers too. About 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain is expected. Some spots could be up to 2 inches. As far as the snowpack goes, this is satellite-derived snow depth. So don't get mad if it's not exactly what you have at your house. It's not really people taking measurements, but it usually does a pretty good job. So this is what we have right now, and this is what the European model thinks happens over the next 36 hours because of the rain and the wind and the warmer temperatures. You can see that erosion, especially along the coastline, and the mountains lose snow too, but there was a lot of snowpack here. So we shouldn't completely obliterate that snowpack unless you're along the immediate coast, in which case we will probably start seeing more grass. As I mentioned before, guys, snowbanks don't count. You'll see a lot of those still hanging around even along the coast after this. The weekend is, like myself, quite unremarkable. In the low 30s for the most part, maybe an isolated snow shower. It is worth noting, we spring forward on Saturday night. Most of your devices will do that for you, but
thankfully,
you got to play some games if you have kids.
There's a few lingering around.
Right? Yeah.
All right, Keith, thank you.